Hi, I'm Ray and you're watching the PhoneArena Q&A. For the first episode of the show where we answer your questions, we've got a bunch of interesting things to discuss, and the first question comes from user Brian B, who wants to know what kind of interesting devices are going to come to IFA 2013. When it comes, there's going to be a bunch of interesting stuff there. For example, the Galaxy Note 3 phablet, the Galaxy Gear smartwatch, which I have right here but won't show it to you, the LG G Pad, the Sony Honami, and maybe a pad phone by Asus. On a side note, IFA 2013 is where we are going to be, so stay tuned to PhoneArena and check us out regularly, especially between September 4th and September 6th, because this is where we plan to flood our website with hands-on coverage. Our next question comes from our user Rahul, who wants to know exactly what is Apple going to announce on September 10th. Rahul, on September 10th, Apple is rumored to announce the iPhone 5s and the iPhone 5c. The first one is rumored to be the new flagship with exactly the same design as the iPhone 5, but with upgraded internals and better camera. Meanwhile, the iPhone 5c is said to be the new mid-range offering with a plastic shell and probably not so cutting-edge internals. Additionally, this is probably the day when Apple will be releasing the iOS 7 operating system to the general public. Droid Dude wants to know what new features is Key Lime Pie going to introduce. And unfortunately, there is surprisingly little information known about the next-gen operating system by Google right now, but some rumors are giving us reasons to believe that it will support a brand new kernel based on Linux 3.8, which will probably bring many performance-related improvements, especially when it comes to memory management. However, Android 5 is considered to be the next major step in Android evolution, so we're sure that Google will be introducing a lot of new interesting features in its next platform. When it comes to the release date of Android 5 Key Lime Pie, we have absolutely no idea, but some say that this may actually happen this October, since this is when Android gets 5 years old. Dick wants to know, what does it mean that the Moto X has a clear pixel camera, and is that a good thing? Well, the thing is that the Moto X, along with the new Droids for Verizon, have those 10-megapixel clear pixel cameras, which have those so-called RGB-C sensors, where C stands for clear. The idea is that there's an additional pixel used by the camera to collect even more light, with the desired end result of having better images shot at low-lit environments. And indeed, it turned out that the indoor shots that we took with the Moto X and the Droids for Verizon were pretty decent, though we wouldn't necessarily say that they can trump the premium competition in any way. So that's it for today's episode of the PhoneArena Q&A with Ray, but be sure to post your questions below this video for next time. Let us know what you want to know, and we'll do our best to answer those questions next week.